Mahomet Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 3, Scene 7. Side said, to sacrifice a poor, defenseless, weak old man. No matter how many victims at the altar fall, as helpless, yet their blood in grateful streams rises to heaven. God hath sworn, and side shall perform his sacred promise. Oh, assist me now, illustrious spirits, you who have destroyed the tyrants of the earth. Oh, join your rage to mine. Oh, guide this trembling hand. And thou, exterminating angel, who defendest the cause of Mahomet, inspire this heart with all thy fierceness. Ha, what do I see? And the Quran says that it's not the blood or the flesh of even, the sacrificial animals that the people eat that reaches God, but the obedience, if you get the idiom. And Islam, for example, does not teach that Abraham was born outside of Persia or Iran Beg or whatever you want to call a place.